Hello everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop. In November, the hottest keyword in the online community is grass, which has made waves in the market, reaching an all-time high ADH of $3.70 with a market cap of $915 million. This project has enabled users participating in its node to earn thousands of dollars easily with just one simple action: installing the project's extension and application, and leaving them running to passively earn money. With the explosion of grass, the trend of running nodes for DeFi projects hasn't shown signs of slowing down. Now, Crypto Airdrop is here to summarize the top 5 hottest DeFi projects of November for you. Before we move forward, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Crypto Airdrop channel to motivate us to create more quality videos. Gradient. The Gradient project aims to develop artificial intelligence, AI, by sharing computing power across its network. Participants contributing computational power are called Century nodes, which we will explore further. As of September 2024, the project has attracted 200,000 users across 180 countries worldwide. Gradient is supported by Pantera, Multicoin Capital, and Sequoia, while the exact investment amount hasn't been disclosed. These are highly reputable crypto investment funds. The project team includes Yuan Gao, who was previously the head of growth at Helium and head of marketing at Neo. To participate in Gradient's airdrop, please refer to the specific guide video we introduced earlier. The link is provided in the description. The project is in its initial phase, so early participation offers significant advantages. NodePay. This project allows users to sell and use bandwidth for AI training. NodePay is backed by Animoca brands, Jump Crypto, and Elevate Venture, although the funding amount has not been disclosed. These are all major, trusted investment funds in the crypto market. NodePay has concluded Season 0 with 200,000 participants and is currently rolling out Season 1. To join the project's airdrop, check out the detailed guide video in the description. Blockmest. Blockmest collects user bandwidth through Sentinel nodes to monitor the behavior of AI models. Notably, this project won first place in the Solana hackathon, securing a prize of $30,000, essentially a seal of approval from the Solana Foundation. To date, over 80,000 nodes have been verified on Blockmest's main network, an extremely impressive figure. While the fundraising details and investors have not been disclosed, we'll provide updates as soon as we have more information. Participating in this project's airdrop is incredibly simple, with clear steps outlined in the guide video provided in the description. Uplink. Uplink is backed by $10 million in funding from Framework Ventures, Blockchain, and other investors. Key partners include T-Mobile and Avalanche. The project aims to become a comprehensive DeFi ecosystem rather than being limited to a specific niche. To accompany the project and join its airdrop, follow the instructions in the video guide provided in the description. Dawn has raised $33 million in funding across 2 rounds. An impressive feat. Both rounds were led by Dragonfly Capital, with additional support from Wintermute, Parafi Capital, and others. The company behind Dawn, Anrina, has been providing internet services since 2019 across 10 U.S. states. The project allows users to earn native tokens through its mobile app, which can then be used to purchase internet bandwidth from the community. Users who stay connected for 24 hours will earn 1.440 reward points. To participate in Dawn's airdrop, please refer to the guide video linked in the description. So, in today's video, I've shared with everyone the top 5 hottest DeFi projects of November, similar to grass. If you have any projects you'd like to share or face challenges while working on the DeFi projects we've introduced, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to give Crypto Airdrop a like and subscribe to our channel to support us. This video ends here. Thank you very much.